Viewers, today the Juvenile Justice Board in Pune ruled that the 17-year, 8-month-old killer behind the Porsche that claimed the lives of two young professionals should be tried as a minor, which means nothing will happen to them. The killer will get away. The citizen will be run over. The pattern of hit, kill, run will continue. The richer you are, the more you can hit, the more people you can kill, and the more easy it's going to be for you to escape. Which is why tonight, on behalf of the citizens, we say that what happened tonight is not a decision. It is an insult. What the Juvenile Justice Court has done is an insult, and we, the people of India, will fight this. It is an insult to Ashwini and Anish, who were crushed under the wheels of a Porsche driven by a 17-year and 8-month-old brat who was drunk, underage, unlicensed and unafraid. And I repeat, unafraid. Why? Because he knew what the rest of the country was only beginning to understand. That in India, if you have money, enough money, contacts, enough contacts, and enough political backup, even murder can be essayed away. Yes, viewers, essayed away. Because that is what his original punishment was, a 300-word essay for killing two people. A trip to the RTO, a few therapy lessons, and that too after tampering with a blood report, scripting a false narrative, using your family contacts, swapping the driver, and using your grandfather's political muscle to twist every arm in the system. And don't you dare tell me that this is a rarity or an aberration. It is not. Just this weekend, 2 nights ago, on the 13th of July 2025, Utsav Shekhar, a Delhi-based realtor, allegedly drunk and speeding, mowed down 5 people sleeping on a footpath with his Audi luxury car, including a child. So if you're rich and drunk, you can kill people, and the system will ensure that nothing will happen to you. And on that very night, in another instance, Pushparaj Singh, son of a Congress MLA Sena Patel, tried to mow down 2 constables, here are the visuals, in Madhya Pradesh's Ali Rajpur with a numberless SUV luxury car. This whole act was caught on CCTV. What kind of message are we sending? What has actually changed in this country? We keep saying we'll become Viksit Bharat, Viksit Bharat. But are we telling the youth of the country that as we progress to a Viksit Bharat, you can kill more people, and if your father has money, you will be fine? Are we telling the parents of Ashwini and Anish that their lives of their children are worth a check of 10 lakh rupees? And are we telling every honest officer, every grieving mother, every working class family that justice has a price tag in this country? And then we say we will become Viksit Bharat. That's not what it looks like to me. What does it look like? The Juvenile Justice Board says the accused who killed 2 people as a child, because the child is rich. And the richer you are, the more innocent you are presumed to be in our system. Not an adult who drank gallons of alcohol in a pub. Not an adult who drove a super luxury car without a license. Not an adult who killed 2 people at 200 kilometers an hour. The system. Remember the system that Rahul Gandhi said he was born into from day one? That system wants us to believe that the killer is a misguided child. Let me ask tonight, was it a child who asked the driver to step aside? Was it a child whose father called a politician 45 times that night? Was it a child who manipulated blood tests and vanished evidence? And for all of that, what did he get? Bail in 15 hours, a 300-word essay, and a road safety lesson. Is this justice? This can happen to you. This can happen to any of us. The citizen is there to be run over in this country. The citizen is there to be killed. And the citizen is there to be bought over. The citizen is there to be pushed aside. And we say we are a democracy. We cannot be a democracy if this is the way citizens are treated in this country in 2025. This is privilege, not law. It is privilege pretending to be law. This was not law. This is privileged mercy reserved for the uber rich. Rich people can kill poor people. That's a simple logic in our country. And if rich people kill poor people, then poor people cannot fight. The richer you are, the more people you can kill, the more lawyers you can hire, the more the poor will be helpless against you. Poor juveniles are tried as adults in this country for far less. One boy spent 28 years in jail before the court realized he was just 12 years old at the time of the crime. But if you're a Porsche brat, if you're a Mercedes brat, if you're an Audi brat, you get empathy, counseling and therapy. This is the scripted betrayal of the law, and let me say it clearly. This country is not asking for revenge. We at Republic are merely asking for accountability. We are asking why a 17-year and 8-month-old cannot be tried as an adult under Section 15 of the Juvenile Justice Act. We are asking why the system has bent backwards for the rich and looked away from the poor. We are asking when there will be justice in this country. In fact, in this case, viewers, the system did not just bend, it fell to its knees. And the people will remember who looked away.